And also, no, I'm gonna start that again. That's a complete. Okay.
To the Ferrari 488.
Oh, this is a great car, yeah.
I don't know why I'm looking like as if I telling Jags off as if he's sitting in a class.
Okay, Bob, well, that's it, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and
Happy New Year. We already messed that up. Sure, you guys can agree. A lot's happened, a lot's come through the workshop this year.
Yeah. So yeah, after that quick recap. Thank you. Right, guys.
Why is it so hard? We do this all the time.
I know we do it all the time.
We got there in the end.
Right. Carry on, guys.